Harvest started
with the intention of focusing on consumer markets 17 years ago. Why was that?
China has the advantage of being the largest single market in the world with a scale advantage. 14 billion people make it a massive market. However, I believe in what Charlie Munger once said, that in one's lifetime, it's important to find a structural competitive advantage. This gave me a long and promising track to run on. If I choose some outstanding entrepreneurs and then invest 10 years of my own effort, becoming an active variable in the growth of the company, brand, and the release of corporate value, rather than just a bystander.
For example, in 2015, 2016, and 2017, with such a booming market, weren't you tempted to invest in something else?
Indeed, I did think about it a little, because I felt that I could acquire so many good Chinese champions and their growth was visible. Why should I look around? I think having determination is very important. I prefer to stay put rather than easily reaching out for something.
It's very difficult to have that kind of determination.
It's extremely difficult because there were times when we didn't invest a single penny for a year and a half.
So now, in the entire venture capital industry, is the investment rate really very
slow, without a doubt.
Most of the funds are focusing on post-investment management.
Yes, I think the first half of the venture capital game is over. In the past, there was an abundance of capital and opportunities with unicorns everywhere, constantly emerging thematic stories and value stories, raising funds with just a PowerPoint presentation. This will never happen again in the future because it will definitely return to the intrinsic value of the company and cash flow growth. Growth is a perpetual principle, so from this perspective, venture capital has truly entered the industrial phase, requiring us investors to really understand industry, operations, and management to earn those minimal profits.